Hi friends, are you ready to practice our digraphs and welded sounds? All right, let's go. We're going to start with our digraphs. So before we start, everyone take a deep breath. All right, remember, I'm going to say them first and then you repeat me. Ready? SH, ship, sh. CK, sock, k. CH, chin, ch. TH, thumb, th. WH, whistle, w. Whew, good job. All right. It is time for our welded sounds now. Everyone take another deep breath. All right. So remember, I'm going to say them first, and then you repeat me. ALL, ball, all. AM, ham, am. AN, fan, an. ANG, fang, ang. ANK, bank, ank. ING, ring, ing. INK, pink, ink. ONG, song, ong. ONK, honk, onk. UNG, lung, ung. UNK, junk, unk. Whew, good job. All right, we're getting ready to practice now. So this time I'm going to show you the sound, but it's not going to have the picture to help you. And they're going to be in a different order. So I'm going to give you 2 seconds to say the sound, and then I'm going to say it. So see if you can say it before me. Are you ready? Let's take a deep breath. All right, here we go. Ung, am, unk, all, ch, ink, f, an, k, ing, sh, ong, ank, w, onk, ang. Whew, how did you do? Great job. Keep practicing.